Hello boys and girls, for this activity you will be counting these bundles of 10 and you're going to count by tens. So let's do this one together. So I see one bundle here, so that's 1 10, 2 tens, 3 10, 4 10, 5 10, 6 tens, 7 tens. Now I'm going to count by tens. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70. So after I finish counting them, I'm going to come down here and circle which one of these three choices is the correct answer. So when I counted, I said 7 tens or 70. So which one of these three numbers has a 7? That's right, this one. So I'm going to take my pencil and circle the number 70. Then I'm going to come over here and continue counting by tens and circling the correct choice below. When you finish all this, you're going to come to the bottom and you're going to write your numbers by tens. So it'll be 10, then what comes next? 10, 20. So you write the number 20. You're going to keep going all the way until you get to this special number down here at the bottom. All right, make sure you count by tens. Have fun.